I can't reach it.
All right. Are you going to get up there and reach it? Good job, kiddo. Whoa. Can you get it? I think you can reach it right there. Asher, look. She got it for you. Hooray!
And Asher put it right there and I will get it.
Say thank you, Asher. Asher, say thank you, sister. Uh-oh.
Let me make a ladder.
Oh, good idea.
Let me make a ladder.
Good idea. How are you going to get there?
Let's make a ladder.
Hmm.
Let's make something else of a ladder.
Okay.